Hello students, this video regarding one of the important reaction of 12th chemistry aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid chapter, and the reaction is aldol condensation. In aldol condensation, aldehydes containing alpha hydrogen undergo self addition in the presence of a base to form aldol. Now, the meaning of alpha hydrogen are the hydrogen present to the alpha carbon. Now, this is carbonyl carbon atom, C double bond O. The adjacent carbon atom is alpha carbon, and whatever the hydrogen atoms are there, they are called as alpha hydrogen. Now, the aldehydes having alpha hydrogen undergo aldol condensation. Now, one of the example for the aldehyde having alpha hydrogen is acetaldehyde or ethanol 2 carbon aldehyde. Let us see. Here you can see the two molecules of alpha hydrogen containing aldehyde called acetaldehyde are ethanol. Now, both of them undergo condensation in the presence of alkali, in the presence of base. Now, you can see here CH3 CHO. Now this hydrogen will be added here. Alpha hydrogen of one acetaldehyde will be added here to form alcoholic group. Then the remaining CH2 C double bond OH here written. So this is the structure called aldol. Aldol. Why aldol? Because this structure has aldehydic group as well as alcoholic group. Both the groups are there, that's why the product is called as aldol, and the reaction is known as aldol condensation. The IUPAC name of this structure is 3-hydroxybutanol, because to the third carbon atom there is a hydroxy group, that's why 3-hydroxy. 4 carbon atoms are there, but single bond between carbon and carbon, and aldehyde group is there, that's why al. So 3-hydroxybutanol is the name of this aldol. Now the aldol lose water in the presence of acid, forming an alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. So from this aldol, from the alpha carbon atom there is a release of one hydrogen, and from the beta carbon atom there is a release of OH as water. Because of the release of water, there is a creation of double bond between alpha and beta carbon atom to get the alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde, and the name of this aldehyde is but 2 in 1 all. But 2 in 1 all. So this is about the aldol condensation of alpha hydrogen containing aldehyde. Similarly, in ketones we can find ketol condensation. Ketol condensation, where like aldehydes, ketones having alpha hydrogen condense to form ketol. For example, two molecules of acetone condense to produce 4-hydroxy 4-methyl 2-pentanone. Let us see the ketol condensation. Here you can see two ketones having alpha hydrogens. So this is one acetone, or IUPAC name propanone. This is another acetone, also called as propanone. Both of them has alpha hydrogen. Now these alpha hydrogen containing ketones undergo condensation. CH3 C. So here you can find the alpha hydrogen containing ketones condense to form a product called 4-hydroxy 4-methyl 2-pentanone, because 5 carbon atoms are there in this ketone. So this alpha hydrogen is added to this oxygen to form OH, and remaining CH2 is added here and to form this product intermediate called ketol. Now this ketol on heating undergo hydrolysis, where From alpha carbonatum there is one hydrogen, from beta carbonatum OH released as water, and there is a creation of double bond between the third and fourth carbonatom, and the IUPAC name of this ketone is 4-methyl 3-pentene 2-one. One is the suffix of ketone.